we were trying to think, is it the market that is completely wrong? But what we found out was that there were small pockets of population who had cracked fitness, be it celebrities, athletes, high-end successful people, entrepreneurs, etc. And all of them were doing one thing in common, which were that they were not doing it themselves. They were outsourcing their health and fitness to certified experts who would make personalized plans for them, but also mainly hold them accountable.
Hey folks, welcome to First Check Portfolio Shorts. My name is Noah Martins and this is a series where we speak to founders of our portfolio companies so that you get to know their team, understand what they're building and the problem they are trying to solve. If you like the content that we've been putting out, do like, share and subscribe so that we can reach more founders and startup enthusiasts like you. Today's very special guest is Vichar Shroff, co-founder of BurnCal. BurnCal is India's most personalized virtual fitness app that guides you throughout your fitness journey by customizing a workout and nutrition plan that is just for you. They provide you a completely unique approach towards fitness by combining world-class personal coaches with cutting-edge technology. They're also working on proprietary vision technology to analyze your workouts while they happen and give you live feedback on the quality of your form, corrective measures, the intensity of your workout, and other extremely useful information. I had an awesome conversation with Vichar and even got to speak to his co-founder and some members of his team about what it's like building BurnCal. So if you want to learn more, do stick around till the end of the episode. Vichar, thank you so much for joining me. It is a pleasure to host you today.
Yeah, the pleasure is all ours as well.
All right. So let's start by talking about the problem that you're trying to solve at BurnCal. What is the problem?
Yeah. So over the past couple of years, as all of us already know, fitness is moving digital. And with COVID and everything, fitness adoption has increased. People are now realizing the importance of health and fitness in their life. But if I talk about a larger picture, both globally and in India, everything in health today has been reactive. And to be honest, more than 70% of the global population is categorized as unhealthy, which is that they are either overweight, underweight, or have lifestyle disease like diabetes, heart disease, obesity, etc. Now, just to give you one small fact, like India is known as a diabetes capital of the world. And that is why in the very start, India had one of the highest mortality rates for all reported cases in the world for COVID. Now, 80% of our population is not active at all or active enough or living a healthy or a good fitness lifestyle. So there's I would say there's a big fitness problem out there. And it's not because of a lack of solutions or content out there. You already have amazing apps in the market, very good gyms, studios, etc. But as a population, we somehow fail to retain to fitness. Like, just to give you some numbers, 90 million people just in India start a fitness journey every single year. But 80% of them just drop out in the first couple of months itself. So when we started building out BurnCal, we actually started building it out of a personal problem, how to solve for fitness for ourselves. And when we were doing that, we realized very quickly is that though there are a lot of solutions out there in the market, the biggest problem that people face today is lack of personal attention in the current fitness options. So we were trying to think, is it the market that is completely wrong? But what we found out was that there were small pockets of population who had cracked fitness, be it celebrities, athletes, high-end successful people, entrepreneurs, etc. And all of them were doing one thing in common, which were that they were not doing it themselves. They were outsourcing their health and fitness to certified experts who would make personalized plans for them, but also mainly hold them accountable, bring in the motivation and accountability part. So that is something that we felt is working, which is personal coaching. But today, personal coach is extremely expensive, not scalable enough, mainly because good coaches can train maximum 10 or 15 clients. And thus it is not accessible to most of the Indian population. Right. That is the problem that we're trying to solve.
All right. Very cool. And what does your solution look like? What is BurnCal and how is it different from all the other options before it?
Yeah. So at BurnCal, we combine human expertise along with cutting edge technology to provide the most personalized fitness experience ever. So by bringing in the human expertise angle, we help lives by connecting them one-to-one with elite fitness coaches who train them remotely using our app. And by bringing in the technology part of things, we make the entire fitness experience more scalable as well as trackable for the coach and the user both. So how the user journey works is that, let's say you come to BurnCal as a member, After signing up for the program, we ask you a few basic questions to judge your current fitness goal, ability, interest, etc., and accordingly match you to an elite fitness coach. And you get this coach as almost 1/5 the cost in the market. Now, one of the first things that you do after getting started is that you go and meet your coach, where you go on video call, where you go over the type of workouts you want, what is your day-to-day availability like, what are your long-term goals like. It's like the coach understanding you as a user, basically. Post the call, you do a basic physical assessment where our AI will judge you on the current fitness ability. Think of it like a CIBIL score for fitness. Now, once the coach has all this data, they will make a very personalized weekly workout schedule for you, which will detail exactly what you will be doing minute by minute, and also a basic nutrition plan. Now you start using the workout and nutrition plan on our application. And once you start working out, you will be guided by workout videos, coach voiceovers, etc. And you can message your coach anytime if you have any questions. If you're not sure about your form, we are currently building a feature in the app using AI and the camera, which actually accurately tracks your form, gives you real-time feedback, and provides you an interactive experience like the coach is in your room itself. Now, the workouts are very, very flexible, personalized to you. And we also give you very daily and weekly workout data with gamification layers on top of it to constantly motivate you and also help the coach track your progress over a period of time. And the coach constantly keeps talking to you every single day to hold you accountable, while you can have a weekly video call with them to understand your progress, how you're progressing over a period of time, basically.
That's awesome. Okay. And so tell me, how many users do you have right now? How many people are using the platform on a regular basis? How much has your own team grown during this time?
Yep. So we launched in April 2021 on beta, both on iOS and Android, with few elite fitness coaches in-house and a basic product to help one work out remotely. In the last 6 months, we've seen early signs of PMFs and exciting results. More than 300 plus people are currently working out on our platform, and we are growing at almost 80% month on month. So
That's
typical
awesome.
user persona is people from startups, corporates, investors, etc. People with extremely busy working lives, yet wanting to make fitness and health a priority in their lives. And just some figures in our early cohorts is that 90% of our users are already working out more often than they join Burncal, and we are seeing some of the best retention in fitness products in the market. So we also now starting noticing that 80% of our consumers are proactively asking the coaches about help with their diet. They volunteer to their coach about the mental health, sleep, stress, nutrition, etc. So we see that on an average, one coach exchanges around 4 texts daily per member, and we see that closing of contact between the coaches and the members is becoming a front door to questions about health, etc. in the entire figure.
Okay, interesting. And tell me about how you and your co-founders met, and also why people should want to come and be a part of your journey and help you build this, or build this along with you.
Sure. So actually, we are 4 co-founders. So myself and Chetan, one more co-founder, we both are batchmates at BITS Pilani, post which we went on to start another company called Drone Nation, which was mainly in the drone imagery space. So we built that for almost 3 years, post which it got acquired in Jan 2020. And we actually set out to solve a personal problem, which was fitness. So we wanted to get in the consumer space and actually solve for ourselves, something that we've been struggling for a long period of time. At the same time, that's when we met the 2 co-founders, Anik and Kunal. Now, Kunal is actually someone who I studied for IIT together in our childhood. He went on to IIT, post which he worked in a lot of early stage startups, mainly in the tech and computer vision space. And he also is a big time fitness enthusiast, a triathlon winner, etc. Anik, our 4th co-founder, who actually brought all of us together, I would say. He had a previous startup called Analytics, which was in the energy and AI domain. He exited that company in 2019. And we actually had done a accelerator program together for our previous startups. That's how we knew all of us together. So he actually brought all of us together, and we started brainstorming how to solve for fitness, health, etc.
Okay. And people joining your team.
Yeah. So at Burncal, one of our biggest focus today, except building out a product and solving for global health, etc., is building a very, very big ownership culture in the entire company. So we're trying to make a very interactive culture where people actually take a lot of ownership, both on their tasks as well as things in their personal lives like fitness, etc. So a very unique thing that we do at Burncal is that we enable people to live better and healthy fitness lifestyles in their life as well. And our overall vision is something that's very inspiring, because at Burncal, you're constantly solving for the user, a huge consumer-centric culture, etc. And they keep on constantly talking to consumers, solving for them, and actually create large-scale impact globally. So that is something that we are trying to solve for. as well as we have a very good culture. Right now, while we are remote, very soon we are going to be offline, and we're trying to solve for that as well. So the culture is something that we're trying to build very proactively. And we have a very high pedigree in the current founding team members, etc., where everyone tries to learn from each other as well.
Okay, that's awesome. Thanks, Vichar. Thanks for taking the time to talk to me today. It was very cool to hear about everything that you're building. And I mean, I've used the platform myself, so I can feel the difference between this and another fitness app. So I do hope you and Burncal help make India more fit, and we see more people sticking to their New Year's resolutions.
Yes, that is our goal. Yep.
Awesome. Thanks. Thank you so much for taking the time.
Thank you.
I always wanted to work at a startup, from my college days itself. So now when I am into a startup, a real early stage startup, it's so much to work here. It's so much to learn here. Even if I sit with one of a team member, I get a lot to learn.
So working at Burncal is fun. It's interesting and hopefully very, very exciting, because we're actually trying to change real life problems, and we look at few of our testimonials, you'll understand we're also changing a few lives, and that gets me really excited.
Working in Burncal is super amazing. It's my first startup, right? So unlike Vichar, who's this is the second one. So as a co-founder, I have been learning a lot and have been growing a lot, and I'm very excited to say that we have been able to inculcate this culture in the rest of the team as well, right? A lot of folks in our team come from corporates, right? And in ensuring that everyone has access to good learning about startups, about the culture, about how to build products at a very fast scale, right? That will solve some real world problems and create impact directly. That has been one of the key and exciting moments, which make me, get up and come to work every day.